We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the HOFASON Back Scratcher for men and women. This product is designed to provide relief for those hard-to-reach itches with a unique telescoping feature and a bear claw-shaped scratching head. As a product expert, I will walk you through its features, performance, usability, pros, cons, and overall impression to help you decide if this is the right back scratcher for you. The HOFASON Back Scratcher is crafted from high-quality metal, which contributes to its durability and sturdiness. Unlike many plastic or bamboo scratchers that tend to break or wear out quickly, this metal design promises longevity and reliability. The telescoping handle extends from 8.4 inches to 23 inches, allowing users to adjust the length to reach any part of their back comfortably. When not in use, it retracts to a compact size, making it easy to store or carry while traveling. This portability factor is a significant advantage for those who want to keep a back scratcher handy at home, in the office, or on the go. One of the standout features is the bear claw-shaped scratching head. It is designed with rounded prongs that are not too sharp, providing a satisfying scratch without damaging the skin. Many users appreciate this balance because it offers effective itch relief while being gentle enough to avoid irritation. The claw design also adds a novelty factor, making it an interesting conversation piece and a fun gift option for occasions like Father's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. The handle includes a rubber grip that enhances comfort and control during use. This grip ensures that the scratcher does not slip out of your hand, even when applying firm pressure to reach stubborn itches. Several users have praised the smooth telescoping mechanism, noting that it extends and retracts effortlessly without feeling flimsy or prone to jamming. This smooth operation is crucial for usability, as a scratcher that sticks or feels unstable can be frustrating to use. Performance-wise, the HOFASON Back Scratcher hits all the right spots. It reaches areas of the back that are typically difficult to access, providing immediate relief from itching. Some users have mentioned that the teeth are slightly short, requiring a particular angle to get the best scratch. However, a few have found that gently bending the claw head outward by about ½ inch improved the reach and effectiveness, making it comparable to their previous bamboo scratchers. This adjustability, even if manual, shows the product's flexibility to user preferences. The product comes in a unique gift package, which makes it an excellent choice for gifting. It is small, portable, and suitable for both men and women, including dads, husbands, grandpas, or anyone who appreciates practical and thoughtful gadgets. It also appeals to those who want a simple but effective tool for relaxation after a long day or during our travel. The back scratcher can also serve as a playful item for kids or even pets, adding to its versatility. From a value perspective, the HOFASON Back Scratcher offers excellent quality for its price point. It is well-crafted, sturdy, and visually appealing when left out, unlike some back scratchers that look cheap or flimsy. Its durability has been highlighted by users who have experienced other scratchers breaking after repeated use. This one holds up well, maintaining its structural integrity even after frequent extension and retraction. Despite its many strengths, there are minor drawbacks to consider. A few users describe the product as a bit flimsy, although this seems to be the exception rather than the rule. The short teeth length means some users need to adjust their technique or modify the claw slightly for optimal use. These small issues do not detract significantly from the overall positive experience, but are worth noting for those seeking perfection. In summary, the HOFASON Back Scratcher is a thoughtfully designed, durable, and effective tool for itch relief. Its telescoping feature, sturdy metal construction, and comfortable grip make it stand out from many other back scratchers on the market. The bear claw design adds a unique aesthetic touch while providing the right texture for a satisfying scratch. It is an ideal gift for various occasions and a practical accessory for anyone who experiences occasional or frequent back itches. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Overall, this back scratcher is a solid choice for anyone looking to combine functionality, durability, and a bit of fun in one handy gadget.